Introduction. Welcome to the U-KwikTour.
You can navigate using this U-KwikTour control panel. You can click on the next arrow and back arrow to move forward and backward. If you want to replay the topic, click on the replay icon between the back and next arrows. Alternatively, you can click on any topic in the control panel you want to go to directly.
Moving about in Ubikwiti.
This is the navigator bar, which is used to navigate between the home page and the primary functional areas of Ubikwiti.
U-KwikShop. Click to add or delete business components. New. Click on the icon or arrow to quickly create new transactions.
Setup. Click on the button to launch Setup Center, or use the arrow to navigate to the desired setup.
Activities. Click on the button to launch Activity Center, or use the arrow to navigate to the desired activity.
Reports. Click on the button to launch Report Center, or use the arrow to pick a report. DIY GUI. Click to customize the page you're currently on.
Sign out. Click here to go back to the login page.
Back and forward arrows. Click here to move backward and forward between opened pages.
History arrow. Click here to see a list of pages you opened in this session. Clicking on an item will launch the page.
Home icon. Click here to return to the home page.
Address bar. Shows you the location of your page.
Address bar arrow. Click here to show and access the items under that group.
Refresh icon. Click to refresh the current page. This is useful when you are viewing information on a screen that is being updated by another user in your business.
Sidebar. Actions box. Click here to perform actions related to the current page. Related tasks box. Launch additional tasks related to the current page.
U-KwikShop, the world's #1 online marketplace for business application components. U-KwikShop contains a comprehensive, fully integrated, market-tested, award-winning, and customizable library of financial and ERP business components to meet most of the business needs of most businesses in most industries. U-KwikShop serves as a library of business components for business people to assemble and add additional functionality to business applications. As your business grows, you will need to upgrade your Ubikwiti application by adding additional functionality. That's where U-KwikShop packages or components can help to transform your existing Ubikwiti application to meet your new business needs. Packages are a pre-configured group of related business components that together comprise a related group of business activities, such as management of customers. Packages allow for simpler and faster upgrades of business components, as opposed to adding components one at a time. To see a full list of business components, click on See All. Find out more information about business components or packages by clicking on their icons or title. This is the information page for a business component. The Detail tab introduces all components and their features. The Review tab shows what the Ubikwiti community is saying about a component. The Requirements tab specifies other dependencies. It also shows other components that were also selected by users who chose this business component. The Release Notes tab gives you information about new features and bug fixes that have been released. As its name suggests, this is where you view screenshots of the business components. Click on Get Now to add the business components to your Ubikwiti application. How to enter transactions. This topic will show you how to enter transactions. Click to launch Activity Center.
Choose an activity to enter on this screen. We will now enter an invoice. This page shows the list of invoices. You click on Create Invoice to create a new invoice.
This is the invoice entry screen. We will now introduce you to some features that are typical in entry screens.
Click on the Finder icon to easily locate and select an existing customer.
Click on the Calendar icon to show a calendar and pick a date.
Click on the Calculator to bring up a calculator to help in calculating and entering an amount.
Click here to add or delete lines in this detail section.
Now we'll show you how the Finder works.
You can quickly locate the record you need by entering search criteria. If not found, you can click on the Add button to quickly add a new record to the list.
Use the following buttons to complete or revert your modifications.
Click to save and continue to create a new transaction.
Click to clear all fields if you are creating a new transaction, or revert to the previous values if you are editing a transaction.
How to easily customize screens using DIY GUI.
You can use DIY GUI in Ubikwiti to modify existing screens or design new screens for your business applications.
To begin customization, access the page and click on the DIY GUI button.
DIY GUI is made up of 4 major areas. Page. You can add or modify objects in this area.
Settings. This section controls the appearance of your object and allows you to modify business rules.
Palette. Add fields to a panel. Add other objects such as buttons, rectangles, and other services. To add, drag and drop the desired object to your page and complete information requested by the wizard.
Toolbar. You can format your object. Launch the DDE script editor. Save your changes and quit DIY GUI.
What's next? Thank you for taking the U-KwikTour.
Quickly get a feel of Ubikwiti features with the 2 businesses that we've set up with sample data.
Alternatively, if you haven't already done so, log in now to your Ubikwiti account and use U-KwikTour to start entering your transactions.